Can you get a property tax exemption for home improvements? Have you ever wondered if those beautiful renovations you made to your home could save you some money on property taxes? It's a common question among homeowners and real estate investors alike. Let's break it down. Generally, property tax exemptions are not granted specifically for home improvements. Instead, these exemptions usually apply to specific groups of homeowners or property types. This includes seniors, veterans, individuals with disabilities, agricultural properties, or primary residences under homestead exemption programs. These exemptions help reduce the taxable value or provide relief based on criteria that do not relate to home improvements. Now, when you make home improvements, the situation changes. Home improvements typically increase the assessed value of your property. This means that while you may be enhancing your living space, you could also be raising your property taxes. Local tax authorities often assess properties based on their market value, which can rise significantly after renovations. It is important to note that you generally cannot receive an exemption or reduction in property taxes just because you made improvements. Some jurisdictions do allow homeowners to appeal their property tax assessments if they believe the assessed value is too high after making improvements. However, this is an appeal process, not an exemption. Certain exemptions, like homestead exemptions, may reduce the taxable value of your property, but they are not linked to improvements. They are based on your ownership status and residency. For tax purposes, home improvements can increase your cost basis in the property. This can help reduce capital gains tax when you sell, but it only affects income tax, not property tax. In summary, property tax exemptions are not available specifically for home improvements. Instead, improvements often lead to an increase in property value and, consequently, property taxes. If you are a real estate investor, it is wise to factor in potential tax increases when planning renovations. Additionally, consider appealing your property tax assessment if you believe the increase is unfair or excessive. Understanding local exemption programs and eligibility is essential, but these programs typically do not offset property tax increases caused by home improvements.